206.
Let
Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. This is gameplay with my friends. My friends' names are Tina and Dark Knight or Sam Gaming.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Can you tell me the code again?
It's in the chat.
Two. Yeah, I can't
20
go back. That's why.
it's lagging.
Oh, man. Do I have to kick you?
Just okay. Let me join again.
Sure.
Join.
Click on ready.
Ready. Click on ready.
Damn it.
Oh,
Done.
start.
It's like I just got a humongous ice cream and I have to run.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, fire on.
WTF? What was that?
I was trying to say like
Main game.
3, 2, 1, the fancy competition on. Okay,
I thought it was a game.
Where am I? Is that
why
that
your
light?
hair is
Give me.
gray color? Okay, now it's black.
You are lagging.
Bro,
Take
lagging.
Can I take temperature
Okay,
meter?
temperature meter. And Simon, you just follow us and
Someone take this.
don't
Someone take
this
these.
like light or this
This.
questioner.
Take this light.
Which light? Oh, it's for
Not
Simon.
Dark. Take
The
the light.
hell happened? I'm gonna take the book.
Take
Simon Gaming, take the light.
my. Take the light.
Okay, he took it.
Finally. And what about these?
He's new. He new to everyone. Don't touch anything, brother.
Oh wait, whose light is this? It came to me.
It was.
Wait, no, take your light.
1 eternity later.
Go
What is our task? Have someone witness a ghost event, find a dirty sink, find a extra evidence, and identify the ghost.
Why we need to find a dirty sink?
I don't know.
That sounds gross.
Maybe it will help us to know that the ghost is really dirty.
Ew. Maybe don't brush. Wait, is my flashlight on?
Yes. Yes, definitely. Is my one on? Okay.
Yeah. Let's go inside the luxurious house.
Hey, disconnected.
They still have light on. Turn on the light.
The light is not on. We have to turn on the generator. Do you want to explore alone?
It's a luxurious. No. No. It's a luxurious home, but still no light.
Okay, let's just try to find a like disgusting sink. What happened?
Probably it will be in bathroom. Here, I guess.
No, that was.
You
No,
left
I
it
didn't
on-
left it.
you
It's
left
behind
it
you.
Stupid.
Oh.
Oh, I just freaked out. This computer looked like this gaming computer looked like a ghost.
They should find better computers. Let's see this.
Is it this the bathroom?
Probably.
No, is it the locker room?
Probably. Why do they have locker room? Where is the bathroom?
Why
Such big house don't even have a bathroom.
do you wanna go in a
Disgusting.
bathroom?
To find the dirty sink.
Find the dirty sink.
Oh, is it the dirty
Maybe this
sink?
is the room of water room. Oh,
Wait, room of water. Wait, what
what
happened?
noise that? Sam Gaming.
What is that? Oh, it's a
Yes, it's a
closet.
closet.
What's this? Oh my god, someone find the generator. My eyes.
Maybe I have found the sink but no dirty water.
Oh, oh, sorry, I thought there was a ghost behind here.
We have a note. I
you
just
there?
found a note.
Oh, then we got a hint.
Maybe we just got an like a evidence or writings
Where are
behind
you?
you.
Ew. Stop
I'm
scaring
not
me.
scaring you. You are just so freaked out.
You was no, you scaring me. What's that?
Oh.
Is that the room? Oh, oh damn! What the heck is going on?
Who has that like temperature meter?
I have
Okay, check the temperature.
9, 18,
If it
21.
goes negative, then it's like. I
Yeah,
just
I
found
know.
dirty
You
water.
said
I
it's
just
like
found dirty
100.
water. Okay, we have evidence.
So dirty.
I saw the dirty one.
My brother is. Oh my god! You left me alone again.
Okay, you.
You leave me alone, and I will kill you
No.
before the ghost. Did the door
No,
close?
no.
Oh no.
It didn't.
So we did one
Yes,
task.
we found one tax, but not a cold temperature. No generator room. Maybe it's downstairs.
The house is stupid. Where is the generator
Maybe
room?
in right side.
They are stupid. Do you hear ghosts shouting or
No.
something? Do you hear my background
No.
noise? Nice, because my brother is shouting in another room.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, what the fuck?
Why you're saying F?
You don't scare me. Don't scare me.
Check the temperature. Check the temperature.
19. Oh my god, 9, 5.
Minus.
6.
Is it minus?
No,
Is it minus?
No, it's not minus, but it suddenly went below. It suddenly went low. Oh my god.
This room is haunted.
No, it's
Maybe.
5. Get out of this room. Get out of this room.
You out from this room.
This is 9, 17.
Why?
Because it suddenly went on 9.
I'm gonna try to turn on the generator.
A few moments later.
The door. Open the door. Open the door. Stop laughing on me.
You are like screaming out. Open the door! Ah! And you are screaming.
I'm usually freaked out. Not my fault.
It's normal.
Oh
We-
my god.
three of them.
Identify the ghost and we are done.
Maybe. Okay, and the go. And click on journal.
What's the
The
evidence?
evidence is we have found writings, temperature. Now we didn't got a third evidence. Now this ghost can be demon, spirit, and on.
Temperature went low. So should I write freezing temperature?
Yes, freezing temperature. Now click it on again J. journal.
Yuri? This is
Now click
scary.
on the track. Or if you want, you can try to solve this mystery.
No.
Do you have the guards?
Okay. This is scary. How do I freaking identify the ghost? Your ghost don't talk with me.
I don't have a ghost.
Hello? Hello? Ghost? Not you. Why
I
are you
am
saying
ghost
hello?
now. But I cannot haunt anyone because I'm a human ghost.
Don't. If you haunt. Oh, it's a female ghost. She likes you.
Stop with that thing. On the previous game, you also did that thing.
The ghost. The ghost name is Mia.
Other Mia could be someone whom I don't know.
We found freezing temperature. We found
Yes.
writing. It's Yuri, I guess.
Yes. Not Uriel.
It's
Oh,
Yuri. How do I use this?
Let's just skip.
It's Yuri. Why don't this thing work? I identified the ghost. Why
ghost
does it
identification will work if you leave the game. Start the engine and leave. It's beside the truck's door. Yes.
This? Bye. Ghost. Not you, ghost.
I'm also a ghost.
Well, technically you are not, but okay.
Sime Gaming said
Oh,
lag.
I
I
guess-
quit. Cannot restart.
I guess we need to. Are we playing with
One eternity later.
mask? I'm taking First, let me take this stupid light.
Same for me.
Now, temperature as usual.
I'm gonna.
We got a key.
Yes, this key is for the car.
The key is for what?
Car. The van.
Ah.
I'm gonna take the writing book and the EMF reader, the like electromagnetic ghost reader.
I will mute for a minute, okay? Entertain people, I guess.
Okay. Oh hell, man! Why immediately? This is messed up. I'm not going inside. No, no. Hell no. Okay, you're back. Maybe you're muted, but your light is not on. Turn it on. We gonna do a bit.
Wait.
What she's doing?
I'm back.
Oh, you're back.
I need some water.
Water.
Yes, water. Okay, where the hell am I? You left me or
No, I
something?
didn't.
Oh
leave
no.
you. I'm with you.
You can't leave me or else the ghost. Wait, is the ghost
I
male or
didn't check.
female?
You just go inside. I'm gonna check it.
Wait.
Check
I
the
do
temperature.
Why should I check the temperature outside the house?
I'm not gonna say the ghost is not like.
Female.
Hey,
So
we must
female.
not check it. No. It's maybe male. Yes, it's male. It's male. It's male.
It's a female.
No.
It's surely a female.
Okay, check the temperature. I'm gonna check and turn on the generator. I played
Generator. I'm
one time
coming.
this map. I know the generator room.
Oh, freak. Oh, my language.
Sorry.
Generator room. This generator room is so spooky. Wait, what is our task? What the hell?
Don't worry.
Why do we still have torch? Are we dumb?
Dirty water. Found it.
Dirty water. Where is the water?
Why
Where is-
every single time? What the hell is wrong
Wait,
with you,
where am
ghost?
I? Wait. Oh.
Check the temperature.
Oh my god. It
The
closed
ghost
on
could
one.
be male.
I guess he don't like me in her bathroom.
How do you know it's her?
I know because you weren't telling me the name. I ship you with the ghost.
Okay, check the temperature.
It's 20.
Okay, let's just check other room.
Ghost, go away. You are ugly. Wait, why that room is so spooky? Oh,
I'm just.
now it's-
Ooh.
Damn, come. Oh my god.
Again.
Oh my god. Run. Run. Damn, how are you faster than me?
I was holding shift button for the whole time. Oh, it just closed on beside you and the electricity just came now.
We just go to
Okay, we have done 2 tasks done. And dirty thing done, we witnessed and the ghost. And now record the EMF. Oh, I have to record the EMF, nothing else.
The
EMF
thing-
and everything is fine.
the evidence is freezing temperature.
Did you found freezing temperature?
Yeah, because the temperature wasn't going down when I saw the ghost. It means it
No,
freezed
it's
the
supposed
temperature.
to. It's supposed to go down. If it goes down, then the if there is ghost, we have to know that.
Oh. Wait, doesn't that mean that ghost can freeze the temperature?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, the temperature was nothing. Like then nothing happened with temperature though. It was same. Even the ghost was in front of us.
Maybe that's not the like active room. Maybe it's upstairs.
Ghost was ugly.
Yep. Like
Is my
he
torch
is-
on?
Yes, it's on.
Oh, it's on. The lights went down. Should we go back?
No, it's up.
It's down. Oh, it's up. No, it's down. No,
Up.
no.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Why
Oh my
every time with me? Little bastard.
Don't
Check the active room.
stop scaring me. Stop scaring me. You don't even have a torch.
Yes, I have a room. Just check. Oh, EMF
16.
2 here.
Oh, five. This is the active room, I guess. It
Okay, let's just
went-
leave that
6.
room. Let's check this beside room.
This is not active. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We don't have light. Where is my light? Where am I? Oh my gosh! I died.
You are dead. You
I
died.
died.
You died. I saw the ghost, and you just died in front of me.
Oh my gosh! I can actually walk around in house then, right?
Yes. Now you
Hey,
can
hey.
be ghost and help me if you want. I'm
Yeah.
just leaving. I just got the evidence. This ghost is
I
haunted.
see you. I see you.
Yeah,
Come
you
back.
see me.
Come out. You see me?
No.
I see
Yeah,
you. You see me. Ghost, I hate you.
I hear you. I hear you.
How do you
You
hear
are right
me?
side of me.
Yeah.
Now
I'm
now you are on the track.
just. I'm not
Yes?
on the track. I was beside you.
Okay.
Record with an
Can you help me?
10 seconds later.
Ooh.
Where are you going? Where?
Ah, shoot!
Run,
Shoot!
run. Are you going wrong way? The door is this way. Come
Ghost.
here.
I
Waka. Seven. I'm in front of you. I'm in front of you. I'm in
in the
front
name
of
of God, Ghost, leave me alone. Write something about me in this text book.
It's me. Are you asking me to write something?
Yes.
Okay, I will just sit on the book. Can you see me?
No.
Oh, you blind person.
Why you are going outside?
Wait, how you know I went
I can hear
outside?
you. I can hear your footstep on the grass. Now you are on a grass.
No,
Now on you
go
are in a concrete.
away. Stop stalking me.
Yeah, I'm stalking a dead person ghost.
You're stalking me. You're stalking me. I'm just a little banana. You're stalking the. You shouldn't stalk
What?
me.
You are a little what?
Banana.
Get out from the truck.
You stop stalking me.
I'm not gonna stop it.
Ooh, you lied. Jessica told him. He said he don't want to make babies.
I don't even care about her. I just
She
know
will kill
she is.
you. Jessica.
I'm leaving. Nope.
You made me leave. Oh my god. Is that it, or we are playing another round?
Maybe we could play last round.
In
I just
sen-
got $10 and more extra dollar for because of maybe in theory.
Let's play last round with the most extreme one.
Most insane, yes.
Oh wait, I did identify the ghost in the last game. It shows that we got one win.
Oh, to play insane, I have to buy this for like 40 Robux.
That's right. Oh, let's just play on
Let's
medium.
just play. Okay, let's just play on medium and let's just go with hard.
Again.
And let's just go with SLM, the most humongous place.
All right. Go.
And the rules is we have to split up.
No.
Yes.
What if no?
Yes, for once. If I die, don't say nothing.
If I die, I will haunt
don't
you
say nothing.
forever. Okay, tell me the code.
It's on the chat.
9 3 2 8 1 4 4. Okay. Why are you telling everyone? Don't
I
tell
just want
everyone.
everyone to join. The
Just
man
tell
with bacon hair something said this.
that.
Zzz,
Is it? It's
TI
bacon.
tiger.
It's bacon.
Okay.
Bacon. It's bacon.
Bacon.
Okay, let's start. Bacon. I didn't had my food. I miss my food.
Very good.
What is very good in that? Huh?
Very good because he didn't took food. Food.
I,
My English is not that much great because my English is a second language.
I will come and shoot you there. What is good in that? I just skipped my dinner. It's good to skip the dinner. Cruel.
Sometimes it's good. Oh, we have background musics and much more fun.
Why?
Okay, tasks, evidence we have to find. Identify the ghost. Find dirty water sink in this huge, humongous place.
No.
And,
No. It's the name is James Watson. My bad.
How is your bed?
He's not my
Try to find extra evidence. Now this is gonna be hard.
Okay, now why should I find extra evidence? Why should I find extra evidence? No.
Hey, do you?
Wait, we can't split up. It
We have
says
to.
it says someone witnessed a ghost event. If we do it alone, we will die for sure.
No, but if you see any ghost, then you're okay.
What do you mean? What if it kills me?
No, it's not gonna kill you.
How I died in last round then?
I don't know.
Huh?
I
Explain
didn't
it.
clip that. I just deleted the main file
How dare
because
you?
of the YouTube said because of too much F word.
I didn't even said that F word fully.
I don't know, but YouTube said something to my Gmail. I'm
Why
not
are
gonna
we
blame.
just going around in the van?
I'm just looking. Is there any Easter egg?
Wow, you love it? Now let's go.
Okay.
How
How many stuff you have?
3. Of course, we can only have 3 stuff.
I just took 2. I'm gonna take the book. Is it okay? I'm gonna take the book or the questionnaire.
Take anything, I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna take the book.
Don't split up.
Maybe you are splitting up.
Wait, no, I am not. You are just slow.
Okay.
Slow. I'm wearing glasses. Do I look cool? See at me.
Yep.
I look
You
so
look
cool.
handsome.
I look handsome. Should I feel good? The ghost name is James Watson. It means it is male, which I don't like.
James, my boy, how are you?
Oh, ghost, are you there?
Yes.
Not you. Are you ghost?
Yes.
What the hell?
Okay, I'm gonna check this temperature. You hold the light. I'm gonna check temperature.
But why do you need light? If you,
Because I have to see in the darkness.
why you need?
Oh.
Ooh, ghost is there behind you. Ghost is there behind you. I saw a ghost. Oh my god, let's go back.
You saw the ghost.
Yeah, I did. It was black in color. I guess it's demon.
I didn't saw the ghost.
I saw it. It went in front of me, like this, like very fast. Yeah. It's faster than that. Faster than the bike. No.
You didn't got any event then.
Wait, what? I did saw the ghost. How dare you?
Maybe that was a buff.
How dare you? How dare you? You say that I lie. This thing say I lie.
This
Hello?
game said lied.
Hello?
Oh,
Shut up.
Are you making the video yet, bros?
Yes, we are making the video. You are interrupting in the middle of the game.
don't be mean. Don't be mean.
It's only 1 hour, bro.
Oh,
No, like half an hour or something. Half an hour or something. Half an hour or something.
Oh, half an hour. Okay. Oh my goodness.
are you my mama?
No one
you
will
got-
see more than half an hour. You know that.
You know we
I
can
hate-
cut the clips, huh?
I know that, but he is not a good editor. You know that.
I don't know. And where the hell are you? Did you die?
No.
I'm
I
in the
was-
bathroom.
Why? What
Okay.
are you doing?
Oh my goodness. Ghost,
Anybody,
please.
can you share your screen? Anybody? I want to see.
No,
Please.
it will make.
What the hell?
It's me, not the ghost.
No, these doors.
They are dumb.
Okay, tell me how many games did you play?
2.
Three.
This is third one.
Yes.
Wait,
There
wait
is a
away, let me
description.
read the note.
Next
Welcome
match. Me.
Oh my gosh.
Next match.
Why are we so fat in this game? Welcome to
Gaming.
the Graph Asylum, our beloved headmaster. Believe everyone deserves a second chance. Our policy is to make sure that everyone here gets treated well. Why do you want to kill me then, huh? Huh? Read this notice. You look so
Believe
weird when you
everyone desire a second chance.
Chance.
What? The ghost doesn't follow the rules.
the ghost. Rules. Kick the ghost out of the house.
How do you kick the ghost? It's invisible. It's a fourth dimension person.
Are you lagging or am I lagging?
Me.
You are lagging.
No, she's lagging.
Tina, you are lagging.
I am lagging. Depression.
Oh
See the
my
room temperature.
goodness.
Oh my god, what?
This room is
What?
completely dark.
Yeah,
Where are
no.
you? No, whoa.
Where
Where are
seriously,
you?
how many minutes is
You
gone?
left me alone. Where are you?
I'm with
What?
I'm here. This
What
room
do you mean
clear.
by
No decrease temperature
Dude, where are you? Oh,
beside you. Turn on your light. It's off.
it's so weird to hold a flashlight when you are in a. What is this? Oh, I guess we can find something here. See this. Where
What?
the hell this guy went? I come
Behind you.
Ah, you scared me.
Yup.
This is a crime scene. Where are you going?
I'm
Excuse
checking
me.
the rooms.
Excuse. Are you room temperature? You know what? We should keep you on job for room temperature.
Hey, orange.
Yes.
How many who died?
No
Me
one died.
And she. One time before.
Me.
Who died the most?
No
Who
one.
died?
1-1. He do always die because he always goes alone.
Okay.
Yes, because I like to explore.
You
like
mean?
to explore both
I'll throw this
Right.
torch at your face.
Oh.
No.
Electricity gone.
No.
Please,
Go,
please,
go,
please,
go,
please,
go.
please follow me, please.
Run,
Please,
run,
for
run,
once.
run.
Please
Follow where?
Oh, run.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they
You are so ugly, ghost. I swear to the God. You said everyone deserves second chance. See, I
Uniform
told
of
you that
you.
ghost is James. Maybe it's James Charles. Come out. Oh my god, come out. Come out.
Is the game over?
No. If the game was over, we would have stopped recording.
What?
Come out. Where did this guy went? Did he die? Is he
Nope.
even on? Oh. Then reply me.
I was too scared.
You were scared of who? Me?
I just peed in my pen.
I died.
I got
Yes.
this is a video funny.
I told you to come with me. You're like, no, let's go explore and take temperature.
I
of
just told you
everyone.
to follow me, and you didn't. You just gone inside this dark room,
Nah,
and
you
suddenly
have
the
to go
ghost
and
came.
take temperature for them. Like, do you get cash from them for taking temperature? Just tell me
Yes, yes, yes,
that. You do?
yes.
Oh my god, you're taking cash from Ghost. You betrayed me.
And now you are on a track. I know.
Stop stalking me.
I'm not stalking you.
You're stalking me. Ah,
Calm
that
down.
ghost is scary. Go away. Stop stalking.
You are walking in a grass.
Stop stalking me.
I'm gonna stalk you forever.
Why are you a ghost?
I hate the background noises like
Ghost loves. Now,
James,
now that
don't
I
kill me.
died, James definitely kill him.
No, honey.
James kill him and I will date you.
What?
Even I am a ghost now. I can date him.
No, you can't.
Why I can't?
Yes, because he's a ghost and you are a.
I'm a ghost too. Oh my god, you are dead.
No, I'm not dead. Lights are gone. I'm gonna
Wait,
leave.
I guess James took my things seriously.
Eee! I hate noises.
James took me seriously. Oh my god. Ayo.
Ayya,
See this
ayya,
book,
ayya,
see
ayya,
this book.
ayya, ayya, ayya.
See this book. Everyone
Okay.
deserves a second chance. Huh?
Maybe the ghost wants you to date, and for that reason he didn't like killed you.
Yeah. Oh come on, I'm not that pretty. Even though my avatar looks like a boy. You look so ugly
you
when
you
are
can
on-
change your character into girl. I know.
No,
Do you wanna
can't.
change your character to a girl?
No,
You can if you want.
no. I look
Okay.
hot as a boy.
Okay. I'm gonna leave.
Wait, what? You're going
Yes.
to watch?
Look
No,
at
no,
my
no, no, no.
saturation.
Let me
I'm
go.
just zero. I'm just freaked out. Nothing else.
Hey, hey.
Look, come
I
inside the
don't.
truck.
Oh, it went up. It went up to 1%. Lol.
Hi, Roblox.
It's going up and down. Ghost
Hey,
is
even
playing.
gone down. It's gone down. It's gone down. It's zero. It's zero.
Eh. So,
It's zero. It's zero.
are you going to put like 1 hour clip on the YouTube?
2,000 years later.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wrap up here. Bye, Tata. See you at the next episode. Tata. Sawana.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye them all.